Yepe asumdwe Ghana GH. We need peace. Yep.
Returning trip to Kwabenya. That's exactly what we are seeing. Look up there at the mountain, a very beautiful buildings up there. Kwabenya is a lovely place to be. Returning trip to Kwabenya. All what I needed from you is to love our channel, share and subscribe. Okay, here's Abon Junction. This is where we should make the call. Yeah. Okay. Wow. Okay, so we should call the people from here. God is a trip to Kwabenya. I'm just urging all my viewers. This Okada ride, and that's what we are doing. In Cathey, you can have access to the car, the 3 ties, then Okada. But anytime you want it to be fast, you must do with Okada. So our trip to Kwabenya with Okada, my name is Alfred Kodomensa. You are welcome to our returning channel, the best and the hottest channel on earth. Let's move on. Very lovely mountains up. Let's go. The Rehoboth City. Knightsbridge, Kwabenya. Yes, I'll. Yes. I have to come to you. This.
I'm making a video.
Yes.
Alright.
Yes, I've already checked up. Boss, what is your name? Eben.
Yes, so please do this for me.
Okay. It's good you talk to us because we are the returning channel and here we are. Our viewers ask us to come here to come and get capture because they are coming and they are coming for this building.
Okay.
So, yeah, so you say your name is what?
Eben.
Okay.
Asumdwe, yepe asumdwe. We need Ghana for yepe asumdwe.
This is cool. This MBA. This is lovely. Meaning very soon it's going to be the best place to be, and that's why Alfred Kodomensa is here to get a capture for the lovely viewers. our channel on the written, our channel on YouTube, I think is the best and the hottest because our education is always. This is a very large estate, and as you can see, men at work, and very soon it's going to be one of the best places for man to stay. So we are still going on with our video. We are doing one or two things. Let's see what we have. Truly we are Kwabenya. When you are here, you can see there's a lot of work going on here, and with our channel we can actually guide you to get the best place for you to stay when you are in Ghana. I'll be telling you that all what you needed from you is to love our channel, share and subscribe.
Yepe asumje Ghana GH. We need peace. Yepe asumje yepe asumje. We need Ghana for yepe asumje yepe asumje. Ghana to abe wasumje. Umayantu abe wasumje.
I'll try my best.
Okay. So you are good to go like this.
Alright, thank you. Those are main entrance.
Okay.
So this is a typical 2-bedroom.
Okay.
The fittings is not packed, but just to give you an idea of how the place will look like when you're done. So this is the living room space.
Okay.
We have a dining area as well. Then the kitchen space. You have the kitchen cabinet and the appliances in there. Whatever you see in the kitchen, that's how it comes with.
Okay.
Then this is a shared washroom. It's for the guests and for one of the rooms here.
Okay.
I'll take you there shortly. That's one of the rooms. That's a 14 by 14 room size.
Okay.
That's actually a queen size bed, so you can even put a king here and it will fit.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay.
We do the tiling for you, the POP, the AC piping, but not the AC.
Okay.
Yes, and we do the burglar proofing, the sliding doors for you as well. Yes, so those are master bedroom.
Okay.
Then the masters, you have
with very lovely view, eh?
Yes.
Okay.
So we position the master bedroom in such a way that no matter where you are, you have a view.
Okay.
So all the masters have a view. If you are here, you can have a view. If you open through the side too, you still have a view.
Okay.
So all the masters are in a position that you can still have a view. Then this is the master washroom. This is the standard way it comes with. Yeah.
Okay.
Alright.
That's nice.
So the 3 beds are slightly bigger than the 2 beds.
This coming 2011, let's think about the next generation. Need peace from other politicians. One nation, one people, no fake information.